Welcome once again to the Awal Academy of Education. In today's video, we are going to start ICSE Class 7th Math Chapter 4, Exercise 4E. Right? Up to 4D, you have already seen in our earlier videos. The chapter is related to the decimals. Now, in this 4E section exercise, we are going to deal with terminating and repeating decimals. Before we proceed into the exercise further, first of all, we will do the basic work. So we will know what are terminating decimals. A decimal containing only finite fixed number of decimal places is called terminating. Now wherein decimal part is not repetitive, finite one, there is not repeating, etc. Right? Now we will move on to repeating or recurring decimals. Repeating decimals are also called recurring decimals. If in a decimal a digit or a digit or a set of digits is repeated in the decimal part continuously, then it is called repeating or recurring decimal. For example, if we divide 4 by 9, we will get 0.444. Here 4 is repeated, so the digit which is repeated, we put a bar on it. 4 is repeating, we will put a bar on 4. This means this means this, right? In the same way, take another example, 22 by 7, we divide 22 by 7, these digits will be repeating, so we have put a bar on these, right? Now these recurring decimals are further divided into two parts. One is pure recurring decimal and other is mixed recurring decimal. Pure recurring decimal in which all the decimals in the decimal part are repeated. Only 3 is here, it is repeating. Only 43 is here, it is repeating. Bar is showing repeating ones. 3 6 are there, 3 6 2 are there, and they are also repeating. And in the same way, mixed recurring decimals in which some of the digits in the decimal part are repeated. For example, decimal part is 0.63, but only 3 is repeated. Decimal part is 447, but only 47 is repeated. So this is mixed recurring decimal. Now we will move on to further in this chapter. So students, exercise 4B we will take directly. 4E. First question is, express each of the following as a recurring decimals. For question first, part first, solution is express 20 by 3 as a recurring decimal. So we will perform our long division method, divide 20 by 3. So 3 6 are 18, right? Minus 2. Put decimal here, 0. 2 is smaller, we will make it bigger by taking 0 here. Again 6.6. 3 6 are 18. Again 2 are remaining, put 0 here. 3 6 are 18. Again 2 are remaining, put 0 here, take it here, 0 6. So 2 are remaining. So which digit is repeating? Our answer is 6.66 dash dash dash, right? Or we can just simply put bar on 6. So our answer is 6.6 bar. Right, students? These are all just like that. We are going to do here part number 7. So I am going to rub it and do the part number 7. that is convert 2 by 13, right? No need to panic. 2 we have to divide by 13. So students, here this 2 is smaller than 13, so division is not possible. We will go by decimal, put decimal here, 0 here. 3 ones are, no, 13 ones are, we have started with 0, we will put 0 here also. After that, this 0 here, decimal here, right? 13 ones are 13 minus 7. Again 7 smaller, make it bigger by putting 0 here. 13 5 are 65 minus again 5 smaller, make it bigger by putting 0 here, taking 0 here. 13 4 are 52, 13 3 are 39 minus 11 are remaining. Again make it bigger by 0. Now 13 9 are 117, 13 8 are 8 104 minus 2 are remaining. Again smaller, no, sorry, 6 are remaining. Again smaller, make it bigger by taking 0 here. 13 4 are 52 minus 8. Again smaller, make it bigger by taking 0. 13 6 are 78. 8 again minus 2. We have started from 2, 2 are here, again smaller, so put dot dot here. Our answer would be 0.15386 bar. Right? We can put in that way or that way. Both are correct. As you can write it as on your wish. Right, students? Now we will move on to question number 2. What is that? Convert each of the following into a vulgar fraction. First we have done as recurring decimal, now vulgar fraction. Suppose we want to convert, take first part of it, this solution. This is given 0.6 bar. We have to convert into a vulgar fraction. For that, we have to assume that let x equal to 0.6 bar, right? Then we can write it as, we can write this x as 0.6 bar means 0.6666 dash dash dash. We can write it in this way also. We will give it as our first equation. Now, as there is only one digit here under the bar, we will divide both, multiply both sides by 10. Both sides by 10. Why 10? Because there is only one digit under the bar. We can write then 10 is multiplied by x, 0.6666 is also multiplied by 10. We will get 10x here. One decimal will move one place. Here this will become 6.6666. This is dot. Right? Now this is our equation second. Right? On subtracting 1 from second, as the second is bigger, this side 10x minus x, there will be 9x, right? And from this, if we are going to 666 dash 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 0.6666 minus, this will cut, only 6 will be remaining, right? 9x equal to is 6, right? x equal to 6 upon 9. 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9. Our answer is 2 by 2. So 0.6 bar is equal to 2 by 2. Right? This is our answer of question part first. Right, students? Now we will move on to the next part of this question 2. Part 2 is 0.8. Part 2 is your homework. We are going to do here part 3. Part 2 is just like one digit as in the first part. So we are going to take here 2 digits. 3 4. Part 3rd. Right? 0.34 to a vulgar fraction. Just like we have done in the first part, let x equal to 0.34, then we can write x equal to 0.34 is repeating 3 4 3 4 3 4 and just dash give it 1. Now here 2 digits are under the bar, so we are going to multiply it by 100. Right? Multiply both sides by 100. Right? This will become 100 multiplied x equal to 100 multiplied 0.343434 left step. So this will become 100x. This will become 2 digits will come further 3 4 3 4 3 4 dash. Right? This is our second part. Now we will subtract first from second in the same way. So 100x minus x, we will get 99x. This portion will cut, only 34 will be remaining. Right? X will be 34 upon 99. So this is our answer, or we can write it as 0.3 bar is equal to 34 upon 99. So with 1 digit we will get 9, with 2 digits under bar we get 99. Right, students? So we are going to do our next part. Now so students, we are going to do next part of question 2, that is part 4. Here it is given 2.13 bar. Right? For that we can adopt a shortcut method. In the shortcut method we write the digits only once in the numerator and take many 9 in the denominator as in the number of repeating digits. So repeating digits are 2. Right? We will put this whole part of the fraction here and this decimal part here. How many digits are repeating? Only two are repeating. For two digits we use 100 minus 100x minus x. What is it? 99, right? In the just as we have did in the last part. So for two digits we will write here 99. So this will become our answer to 13 by 99. This is the shortcut answer. For two digits you can use 99. Similar way, if we do part 5th of second question, 1.243 bar, right? 1 will be here, decimal part, repeating part will be here. Now, as we have used 100 here, we will write 1000 here. From 1000 x we will 999, sorry, x 9. So we can write this 999 as 9, right? For 1000 we can write 999. So if there are 3 digits, for 2 digits we can write 9. And for one digit we can write 9, only 9, right? Now question 3. Part first is convert each of the following into a Walker fraction. Is 0.16 bar. So we want to convert it as vulgar fraction, but bar is only on one digit. So we will here we will also adopt our shortcut method. So we will write this whole part here. Bar is only at 1, only at 6. 1 is without bar. We will get that minus from this, and as there is only one digit in the bar, we will write under the bar, we will write 9 for this, but there are 2 digits after decimal, we will write 0 here. We will make it 2 digits by putting 0 here. This is 15 upon 90, and 15 1 ja 15, 15 6 ja 9. This is our answer. Right, students? Now, in the same way, part second, 0.143, the bar is only at 43, right? Not at 1, only at 43. Just very simple, write it as 143. Bar is only at 43, 1 is remaining, so we will minus 1. And now 2 digits are under the bar, we will 99 for that. 1 is outside, 0 for that. That is 142 upon 990. Right? It can be cut on to 71 and 2 4 ja 8, 9, 2 9 ja 18, 1 2 5. So our answer will be 71 upon 495. Now students, we are left with part third. Part third is 0.574 bar, right? Nothing to panic. 0, we can write it as 574 minus, bar is only at 4, 57 will drop minus. Now 4, 9, there are 3 digits, we will make them as 900. So 547, 574 minus 57, 517, we will have 517 upon 900. right? This is our answer. Now we are left with only part 4, that is question 2, part sorry, we have done part 3rd, now question 3rd, part 4, right? So this is 0.1234, no need to panic, equal to 1 2 3 4, 3 4 is under bar, this is outside the bar, you write 2 digits, for 2 digits write 99 here. There are also total 4 digits, complete them by putting 99. So 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 2 3 minus 1 2, 9 9 0, this will go cut by 2 2 6 1 1, this will 2 4 are 8 19 2 9 18 2 5 are 10 0 0. So this is our answer 6114950. Right students, so we have done all the questions of exercise 4E. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can go to the comment section of our channel and ask your doubts and write your doubts there, right? If you have liked this video, understood the for exercise 4E completely, then like it, share it more and more, and get it subscribed by your friends, your companions, so that they can also be helped and get benefited from our channel. So this was all about in this video. We will meet in the next video with some other exercise, next exercise. Till then, it's goodbye from here. Thanks for watching.